How is everybody doing today? You will have to excuse me. This is a voiceover. I forgot to turn my mic on during the beginning portion of the gameplay. I do remember to turn it on here in a few minutes, but as for now, we'll just go like this. We started with the 75 cat shines, working our way to 100. Got the first one there. Working on the second one here. Feasting on fuzzies. Num. Num num. Num num num. So tasty. Num num. Yay, got the star. Alright, back to the good stuff.
I am an idiot. Didn't even have my mic turned on. I'm like, why can't I hear anything? What a game. Anyways, now I've got 77 cat shines. Working to 100. Speeches. That's another thing too. Gotta be looking for these Goomba cats. Not cool. Is that one right there? Let's go. Yep. Okay. Back in. Oh, he cheated the heck out of me. Let's go. I found one of your cats. Let's go. One of them. Oh, goodness gracious. How does a dude forget to turn on his mic? Out of control. And the one I did was just like... I wanted you guys to hear it. Dude, there's so much going on. It's like, oh. Ooh, hit him with the pow pow. Gotcha. You tried to fire me, and I shined on you.
All praise to the Most High.
Shining,
God is the greatest. The
shining.
sun is shining on me. All praise.
78. That's that one. Hot behind the wall. You know what? Let's get a freeze right now. Oh, what? Because it's got the goo? Dang. Which wall? This wall? Get behind this big wall? Yep. Wow. 2 of 5. Okay. Moving right along. We all remember how long that last one took me. Which, after I get all these cat shine duns, I'll be putting little compilations on my YouTube of the things. All the cats, all the blue coins. And money. Go speed racer, go speed racer. Nailed it. Ah! Oh, beautiful. I think I did this one, huh? How come? I was like, wait a minute. Oh yeah, I don't even get to do the top one. Okay, blast over there. Okay. That's gotta be done when he gets there. That's the cat. I thought I got that one. Ain't that the one? Okay, I guess we can try and grab that one. Flimsy. Yuck! Let's get out of the way. I thought I got that one. So annoying. Easy as. I was about to say there's no respawn out here for this dude. The cat bells are ringing. Oh, right into it like a god. Whatever, I'm going to Cloudville. Whoa, that was crazy. Yeah, I was like, how I gotta kill him, dude. It's probably to get all the coins too. That was about to get crazy. Jump and thump in the clouds. We're rolling. a whole nother place. Oh yeah, no, that was this one. Gah. Alright, I'll try it one time. Focus. Bro, this is crazy. Yikes. I'm so nervous. I don't want to fall and do it again. This is the farthest I've been on here. I really tried not to fall. Yikes. Dude, every time, what the heck? Freaking sweaty Betty. There we go. Holy crap. Wow. Dude, is that a one, please? I wish this was a one-off. That was painful. Okay, I'm missing 2 of those. So let's see. Anybody see it? Does anyone see it? Get on this. What on that second one? No, let me get my. Okay, cause that one was right there, and then the other one was up on there. It was up on that. The last one was. Oh. Which side is he standing on? Dang it. At least in my oh, there it is. Ow. Ah. Dang chair. Okay, also that red coin's gotta be around here, because it's the first one. So it's gotta be down here somewhere. It's gonna be best for me. Because I was thinking up there and jump to that. And where the heck is this red coin? This might take too long. Dang it! Oh no! Crap! I'm starting to run low on things for the first time. Woo! That was close. Hot cross run. Hot cross run. Do, do, do. It's gotta be back there somewhere. As the thing turns. Hey, hey. Oh, there it is. Okay, well, I hope I get you because this is my last one. We are still gonna try and stay alive. Let's go. And busted it. Where now? Where is... Dude, not. I don't know why I'm staying over here. I don't know. Perfect timing for our last cat shine. Where are these blocks at? There they are. I'm not afraid of you. Dude, tell me he's leaving. What? What? That's crazy. Okay, well, I see what out there. Dude just left. Well, for some reason there's one just out here. I'll take it. On the floodgate's edge. Alright, well, there we are. 10 down, 85 in. 15 to go. I don't know. Might be one more left or two more. I don't know. Haven't decided. Anyways, God bless.